In this video tutorial, we will learn how to do the integration within the MATLAB. So for this, we at least need one variable declaration. So in order to do all this process, first of all write simsx. What actually the command is doing, sims is a command which is used for declaring x as a variable. Okay, then after the declaration of variable, we can say we can write here a function like e is equal to sine of x. So in this, sine of x is a function and it is stored in e. All the things on the right hand side must be stored due to this assignment operator in the e. So right hand side values are now inside the e. Then in the next command we can write int that is used for integration and e comma x. Okay, now it's completed. Now press run. Now we can see that our answer is right, that is minus cos of x. As we all know that differentiation of sine is minus cos of x. Now we can make some changes like 5 comma 1, this is the upper limit, 5 is the upper limit, and this one is 1 is the lower limit. So now you can see that here we got the right answer, that is cos of 5 minus cos of 1. Okay, this is enough for today. You can do integration via this method. If you have any sort of confusion, you can comment us and we will respond you in no time. Thanks for watching.